Did you know that there's a past tense in Spanish that you can use to talk about actions that you used to do but not anymore? Yes, that's correct. With this past tense, you can talk about your childhood, you can talk about your college years, or basically about any routines that you used to do but not anymore. Hola amigos, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, let me introduce myself. My name is Mariana and I'm a YouTube ambassador with Spanish 55. And in today's video, I will be talking about a fascinating aspect of Spanish, the imperfect past tense triggered by specific phrases. Get ready to enhance your Spanish skills and add some flair to your conversations. Let's get started. Before we get into the phrases, let's break down the concept of the imperfect past tense in Spanish. Unlike the simple past tense, which expresses completed actions in the past, the imperfect past tense describes ongoing or recurring actions that used to happen but not anymore. We also use this tense to talk about past actions that don't have a specific endpoint, to describe situations from the past, to talk about routines, and to talk about the course of an action that was interrupted by another one. So, how does the imperfect past tense work? As I said before, we use it to talk about actions that don't have a specific endpoint. So this past tense is quite useful when you want to talk about routines that occurred in the past. In order to use this past tense, you need to conjugate the verbs accordingly. Regular verbs ending in AR will have these terminations: aba, aban, abamos, and aban. While verbs ending in ER or IR will have these terminations: ia, ias, íamos, and ian, depending on the pronoun used. It's also pretty common to use the verb soler, which basically translates to the English phrase used to, in front of another verb in infinitive, as well as these phrases: todos los días, every day; cada semana, every week; cuando era niña, when I was a kid; antes, before; en aquella época, back then; en ese entonces, back in the day; de vez en cuando, from time to time; cuando era joven, when I was young. And also, it's really common to use some adverbs such as siempre, always, and mientras, while. Let me share some examples with you. Todos los días, every day. Solía tomar fotos todos los días. I used to take pictures every day. Siempre, always. Siempre íbamos al parque los sábados. We always used to go to the park on Saturdays. Cada semana, every week. Cada semana estudiaba español. Every week I used to study Spanish. Mientras, while. Mientras leía el libro, llovía afuera. While I was reading the book, it was raining outside. Cuando era niña, when I was a child. Cuando era niña, bailaba ballet. When I was a kid, I used to dance ballet. Antes, before. Antes trabajaba en esa empresa. Before, I used to work in that company. En aquella época, back in the day. En aquella época, la gente elaboraba sus propios productos de belleza. Back in the day, people used to elaborate their own beauty products. De vez en cuando, from time to time. De vez en cuando viajábamos juntos. From time to time, we used to travel together. Cuando era joven, when I was young. Cuando era joven, entrenaba Kung Fu. When I was young, I used to train Kung Fu. What are the main activities that you used to do when you were younger? Let us know in the comment section below. Let's put your knowledge into practice with a fun exercise. I'll give you a sentence in English and you have to translate it to Spanish. Remember that you can leave a comment in the comment section below letting us know about your results. Let's get started. 1. When I was young, I used to wear a lot of makeup. 2. Peter used to train capoeira when he was younger. 3. Back in the day, Jolene studied astrophysics. Now, let's check the answers. 1. Cuando era joven, usaba mucho maquillaje. 2. Peter solía entrenar capoeira cuando era joven. 3. En ese entonces, Jolene estudiaba astrofísica. Did you get them right? Let us know in the comment section. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and subscribe to our channel. In our channel, you're going to find a bunch of videos that are quite useful if your goal is to become fluent in Spanish. Here at Spanish 55, we have an amazing team of certified native teachers who can guide you through your learning process. Another good thing about Spanish 55 is that you can study at your own pace at the comfort of your home, getting personalized attention based on your educational needs. So don't hesitate and check out our website, check out our social media, and we'll be more than happy to help you become fluent in Spanish. Don't give up on your learning process. Remember, trust the process and just continue learning, because becoming fluent in Spanish is going to open many, many doors for you. So let's have a quick recap about all the things that we talked about today. Remember that the main difference between the simple past tense in Spanish and the imperfect past tense is that the first one is mainly used to talk about past events that have a specific endpoint, while the imperfect past tense is mainly used to talk about past events that don't have a specific endpoint. You can also use that past tense to talk about past routines, things that you used to do, and also to talk about your college years, your childhood, and everything that occurred in the past, but basically no longer exists. So that was pretty much it for today, guys. I hope they have an amazing day. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and start watching all of our YouTube videos. We have many interesting videos out there that are super useful if your goal is to become fluent. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!